This recording is for the Unit 2 Arabian Peninsula Geography Challenge. This is for the map only. So this recording is only for slides 2, 3, and 4. If we take a look at our directions here, it says, number 1, locate the items below using the map on the next slide. So we have a table here of some physical features, some countries, and some cities. This is just a list of the things that you will need to locate, but you're going to be using the map on the next slide in order to find everything. Number 2, you'll label your map of the Arabian Peninsula and the surrounding lands. You will drag and drop the boxes in order to label your own map. So this slide here is basically just all your directions with the list of things that you will be needing to locate. On the next slide, on slide 3, you're going to use this map to help you find everything. Now, I promise it's all on here. You'll be able to find the physical features that you need, the cities that you need, as well as the countries that you need. So you'll be going back and forth between this map and your blank map on the next slide in order to locate and find everything. On slide 4, you're going to drag and drop the labels into the correct spots. So if you look down here at the bottom left-hand corner of the slide, you'll notice that there's a whole bunch of labels down here. The labels in blue are the physical features, the labels in purple are the countries, and the labels in green are the different cities. The little dot next to the cities is going to be your place marker. Try to do your best and place that where the city is. So the first couple things that we need to do, and I highly recommend doing it this way, is start with your physical features. It's going to be a little bit easier to do it that way. So you'll go back and forth between slides 3 and 4, locating all of your physical features here. So if we want to start, let's start in the top left-hand corner here. So we notice that there's the Atlantic Ocean up here in the upper left-hand corner of the map. It's right next to this little section of land over here, kind of sticks out. So we're going to be looking for that spot as well over here on our map. All right, we're going to see it all over here. Okay, so that's the type of thing that you'll need to do, is you'll need to find little pieces. Actually, it looks like you don't even have the Atlantic Ocean on your list, so you can ignore that. But you'll need to be finding pieces that look similar. I know that's tricky, but that's part of map skills, is being able to locate the things and transfer them to a different map. So let's try another one that's actually helpful. So we notice right here, we have the Mediterranean Sea. It's right here, kind of in the middle. It's in between these 3 giant chunks of land between Africa, Europe, and Asia. Here in the Mediterranean Sea is this really big body of water that mostly goes east to west, here kind of in the middle of the map. So if we go to our blank map here, we'll notice, okay, so we remember that it was somewhere in between Africa, Europe, and Asia. It was this long body of water here that is going east to west in the middle of the map, right over here. So when you believe you have found the correct spot for a label, you're going to click and you're going to drag the label onto the map where it belongs. Okay, so the Mediterranean Sea is this spot right here. Okay. And then you will complete that for the rest of your labels, the rest of the physical features in blue, the rest of the countries in purple, and the rest of the cities in green.